Okay, today we're changing the winch line. The connection is off right here. Replace that connection. And got a major leak. These two lines right here, winch lines. Look, broken, like busted, completely broken. The other end of the winch line, two ends is all the way down here. Why are they down here? Oh, fuck it, no. I gotta figure out how to get the clips off that's holding it. Okay, I feel it. It's a bolt. Alright, bet. Alright. Gotta get that off. Get them clips all the way off. That's getting that line. Get that line all the way off. Take off the two lines when it broke. Took it all the way off up top. Had to winch them two lines. So them two lines supposed to be connected to these two lines that's broken way in the back. So this got to come off here and come off back here at the not PTO, what do you call it? The hydraulic sending unit, I guess. From here. Let's go.
Anybody tell you that I miss practice? If a coach say I miss practice, and y'all hear it, then that's that. Not a game. We talking about practice. Not a game. Not the game that I go out there and die for.
Riding in a rental 10 to 20 in the trunk. We just trying to drop it off and then I'm headed to get lunch. Said I stop when I get right, I guess I still ain't made enough. Heard that Lewis wasn't heavy, I guess niggas made it up. It's a hard life, I play my cards right, don't deal with hard white. It's alright whenever she with me and you the guard type. I'm godlike, you ain't got no credit, you the fraud type. You the spades, you the one that never play your cards right. You all hype, me I do it big like I'm the large type. A1s with my day ones, we never cross sides. I gotta watch my left and my right, I'm getting cross-eyed. I ain't been the same since my motherfucking dog died. By myself, I was on my loan for a long time. Came up out the crib with the bros for a car ride. 88 Honda Prelude with the frog eyes. Roof crack with the music loud, feeling alright. I don't practice the game, but that shit running like a river. I'm just living my life like I ain't never made a living. Guess I'm living it twice, this time I gotta make a killing. Turn myself to the man, I couldn't live like a civilian. I don't practice the game. Nope. I don't practice the game. Nope. Fuck that. Sliding in this Honda, murder one is on my lap. Tried to keep it in the house, but this is not the place for that. If they catch your ass without it, they gon' leave you where you at. If you die from that decision, you can never take it back. Put 500 on the table, doubled up and made a stack. I got drunker than a skunk, then I went home to take a nap. When I woke up, I had to roll up. I sparked the drove up.
Line out for the bed to slide in and out. Took that line out. There was a disconnect right there. Hold on. Disconnect right there. You can see that disconnect from there to the far side. Yep. Took that line off. This was missing a cotter pin for the winch cable. Put that back. Working. We just gotta get them two lines off. Two lines right off the winch and we good. We got the line out. We're gonna take measurements take it to the shop, get a new line, repair it, put it back in, get work.